Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I would like to show you how to fix message not sending problem on WhatsApp. So let's begin our video. So what you need to do? First of all, you just need to open your settings and right now scroll down and select apps. Right now select manage apps and you just need to find out WhatsApp from here. So if you don't find here, just go to search bar and type on WhatsApp. Just open it and right bottom there have an option clear data. Select it, select clear cache and okay. Right now select permission and you just need to enable these two option and then let's back and open your Play Store and after that open your WhatsApp messenger. So after open it, if you see there have an option for update, you just need to update it must be. So after update your WhatsApp messenger, I hope your message not sending problem will solved. So that's it guys. I hope you can understand. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.